Hi, this is Brad from Power Tools, and today we're going to go through the process of installing the filter menu into your theme. So the first thing we probably want to do is check what theme we're using. So in this case, we're going to install onto the Venture theme. Let's log into the app and we'll get started. So just as that's loading up, if we go to the filter menu, we'll see it's prompting us to run the theme installer. So we'll scroll down until we find our theme, which is the Venture theme, and this is the automated installer. So the first step is to back up our theme. So let's go back to our store, go to Themes, click on the three dots and press Duplicate. While that's duplicating, let's give it a good name. Venture before filter menu. Okay, so we've taken a backup now. Let's select what theme we actually want to run the installer on. So these are our installed themes, but we want to run it on the Venture theme, which is also the main published theme. Now before we press run, let's have a look at what it's actually going to do. So these are the manual installation steps, and this is what the automated installer is going to do for you automatically. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of steps here. It's quite a lot, it's quite technical, so we'd much rather have the automated installer do it for us. So we'll press run on theme. Now note, this will take a few seconds as it does need to make all those changes to your theme. And while we're waiting, let's go load up our site. Okay, so that's completed, and it's giving us some information that we probably want to check the mobile filter button settings. So if we view our store, we can see actually it looks pretty good. We've now got the filter menu on the sidebar, and we can interact with it and use it to filter down. But let's follow the instructions and alter those settings as it's requested. So same thing, we'll go to the catalog page, and you can see immediately that this is out of alignment, which is what it's prompted us to do. So we have the sections and the general settings. The filter menu settings are under general settings, and in this case we're going to edit the mobile accordion. So we'll adjust the vertical offset of this so it matches our theme, and we're done. Now the only other thing we might want to look at is we've got this filter by button. It's just showing a list of tags, and we don't really want it on this page, so we'll disable tag filtering. Now this setting is specific for this theme, but most themes have a similar setting. Just make sure that you're actually on the collection page if it's in the sections. Otherwise you may find it under general settings. Under the collection page there may be other settings you might want to adjust. Okay, so everything's looking good. We can expand our filters and select them. Everything's looking good there. We'll have a look on the desktop site. We'll notice this is going to disappear, and everything's looking good here too. We can go all the way back out, have a look at our theme. Okay, and I think we're done here. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, let us know. Now, one thing that can happen is that here you may get errors. If you get these errors, you have two choices. You can either contact support, and we'll take a look at them, or sometimes it's just because you've made a minor change to your theme, or perhaps you've got a slightly older or newer version of the theme than the installer is targeting, and so you may be able to just fix up that little section yourself. Okay, I think that concludes it.